Shadcn is amazing and we all use Shadcn, but most of the applications that we are making are the same. So Shadcn got a huge upgrade to fix the customization issue. So if you click on the new project inside the Shadcn website, you can customize almost everything about Shadcn. You can choose from Radix or base UI. There is pre-built styles, 5 pre-built styles that you can choose from. This Vega as is the classic Shadcn, and they also built some other styles that you can choose based on your needs. So this one has some reduced padding and margin, and you're seeing that this is a bit more rounded and this is softer. So you can choose whatever you want from this and you're seeing that this is more boxy and there is no border radius or corner radius for them, and you're seeing that this is more compact. So this, you can choose whatever is your need. I'm going to choose this for now, and you're seeing that it has its base color. These are the previous ones that we had, and also we can choose the theme here. So if I choose this one, or let's say yellow, then we can choose our default icon that we are using. So let's say we are either using lucid icon, tabular, and huge icons, so we can use them. I prefer this, so I'm gonna use this one. And you can also customize your font inside the Shadcn, and it will give you the command to create your project. So you're seeing that we have a couple of options here. The default font that we can use this. So I'm gonna use let's say something that makes a bit difference. So I'm gonna use this one. And then you can see that we can change the default corner or border radius here. So I'm gonna make this either small. So see here, when I change the corner border radius, you're seeing that it changes. So I'm gonna use the large one, and then we have the menu color, either should be inverted or default. Then we can choose this. This should affect the menus, not here. So yeah, and also we can try it randomly. So if I click this, you're seeing that it changes and gives you the command. So I have, let's say I have choose my theme, and then I want to create my project. So I choose my project, either Next.js, Stack, Start, or Vite. So I'm going to choose this, and it will give me a huge command, which yeah, I'm copying the command here. So it will give me a huge command, so I can create everything that we have selected. There are also new components, which if we go to the components, you're seeing that there are a couple of new components that we can use. Some of the old components have been removed. So this is an update of the Shadcn. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.